Welcome to this tutorial on how to add post and product fields in Contact Form 7. Are you looking to enhance the functionality of your Contact Form 7 by adding specific fields for your posts or products? In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of integrating post and product fields into your Contact Form 7, so you can easily collect information from your users and streamline your workflow. So, let's get started. Let's give it a try on an existing Contact Form 7. First, we need to add the plugin called Contact Form 7 Post Fields. To do this, navigate to the plugin settings and search for the plugin. Once activated, all of the fields will be available on your Contact Form 7 editor panel. First, I am going to try WooCommerce checkout fields. You can view all product fields that are showing on the contact form. These fields are checkboxes, which means that multiple fields can be selected at once for the website's users. To display these results in an email, you need to add tags to the message body. In the next step, I will set up radio type and drop-down menu fields. We can also add product images in drop-down and add required attributes. Drop-down fields can also contain posts and pages, and you can even select specific categories and tags. Thank you for watching, and if you found the tutorial helpful, We encourage you to like and share it with others who may benefit from this information.